Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix snap camera filters loading. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is just simply go to your control panel. To do that, you just have to go to this search bar here and then type control panel and then click open. And then here, all you have to do is just simply look for security and maintenance. Okay, tap this one here. Now, once you're here, you have to go to security. Okay, and then make sure that network firewall and others are, of course, turned off. So, firewall and network protection, this should be turned off. Okay, and then after you turn off everything here, you can now exit and go to your Google Web browser. Now search for Snap Camera and download it, and make sure that this Snap Camera application or tool is compatible to your computer. Once done, all you have to do is to right click and then run as administrator. Wait as it is processing. So once it appears, all you have to do is to click next, copy this one, make sure that you copy this, okay? And then click next, create a shortcut, and then click next. Okay, install and wait as it is installing. So it may take a couple of seconds or minutes, depends on your internet connection too. Okay, and then once done, you can now open the application or tool, but you can see here that your camera is not working. So that means we are not yet finished. Now you have to go to the site here, just copy this one, and it will take you directly to this. What you're going to do now is to scroll down and then go to this part, click, and then click choose file. Now here, all you have to do is to paste what you have copied earlier. Okay, or if you forgot to paste this one, then you can just simply go to the file location where you downloaded your snap camera. Here it is. Tap this one. And then after that, you just have to click this apply patch and wait as it is processing or downloading. Once done, you just have to delete what you have downloaded earlier and replace it with Snap Camera with the patched word. So you just have to open the location, or you can go to apps and features, install this Snap Camera, and then replace it with the Snap Camera patched. Okay, so go to file location, delete this first, and replace it with Snap Camera Patched. Actually, you can delete the patched word and just type it as Snap Camera. Okay, then once done, you have to close this one and open Snap Camera again. So let me open again. Okay, let me fix my camera first. Okay, and then after that, here it is. So that's how easy it is to fix Snap Camera filters not loading. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.